Hello from Slovenia again, and happy Valentine's Day. I'm from that generation. We didn't celebrate Valentine's Day since 1990s and something. So it's not, something, I don't know, so special here in Slovenia, but the message to spread love is always the right message. So happy Valentine's Day, and I wish you a lot of love. So that's why I will work on this heart today. It's a wooden with a cutout here. And I was thinking just to play with paint a little bit, maybe do some flicks around, I don't know. And I will use black for my background. I know that it's Valentine's, but I like black and reds together because it gives cool contrast. Yeah, I don't know if I have enough paint for a background. I never did those flicks, so I don't know, maybe combine this with something else. I will see how it will work, if it will work at all. Experimenting is one of my love. Is my love to love to experiment with paint, play with paint. So let's do that on Valentine's Day, because we love to. Yeah, I definitely have enough paint, because I had to have some space to have paint to flow when you flicker or something. I don't know. I believe that I have to have this palette. Knife is just not the right one for this stuff. I just want to add black here. I can always paint over, but kind of want to have it cover mostly, because I am expecting to leave some negative space again. Okay, let's just tilt this around a little bit to spread it a little more evenly. Because I don't know if I will tilt a lot afterwards. Okay, should be okay.
That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air conditioner.
Do everything we love. This part too. Okay, now I will change my gloves.
In my mind, there is nothing left to do. What is wrong about the way I treat my kind?
Probably for the flicking part would be the best to put this on the spinner. Or not. No. Okay, so I will try to do something right here. So I will add some pearl white first for some effects. And then some Bordeaux red. Some iridescent red blue. Inspired by my dear friend Mina Valentines. She used that color too. Love you, Mina. Gold. I will do this border red. I don't know if this model is big enough for flick or something. But we will find out. Too much.
In my mind, there is nothing left to do but fall behind. In my mind, there is nothing left to do but stay behind. Will I find what is wrong about the way I treat my kind? Where's the love I was promised as I told them from above? Mother, son.
I'm so sorry, I had a little bad angle. I didn't check. But I am happy with that. I love all those little spirals. And I think it will dry beautiful. So I will leave it. Stay tuned for the dry results. So here is a close-up of the dried result. I kind of lost that blue, red. I wish that it would show a little more. Maybe my colors weren't quite right, but I like this look, I have to say. I like those spirally things. Here is a little bit of that white, blue. It's interesting, I believe. I like it. I definitely will try this technique again. I learned some things and hopefully next time I will do a better job. So happy Valentine's again. I'm sending you lots of love from Slovenia and see you on the next one. Bye.